New construction home located in Lawns Point on the James, a scenic riverfront community along the James River in Smithfield, ideal for those who appreciate nature, privacy, and a peaceful setting. This all-brick home offers a thoughtfully designed floor plan with a first-floor primary suite featuring a soaking tub, walk-in shower, double-bowl vanity, private water closet, and a spacious custom closet. 3 additional first-floor bedrooms and 2 full baths, with a 5th bedroom and full bath on the 2nd level. The foyer opens to a formal dining room and a family room with a cathedral ceiling, striking stone gas fireplace, and built-in bookshelves, flowing seamlessly into the chef's kitchen, which features a 36 oversized range, double oven/microwave, wine rack, wine cooler, dishwasher, French door refrigerator, large island pot filler, and an impressive sizable walk-in pantry. A screen porch.